what inspired you to start teaching meditation or want to start teaching meditation? And how can sharing your own unique perspective and approach to meditation inspire and empower others on their journey of self-discovery, healing, and wellness? And of course, you need a checkout option, somewhere where people can pay. Now, there's other ways to do it, but what happens when we don't take people's money when they're reading your event and they're excited about it? Sometimes they wake up in the morning and they think, oh, I had a busy night last night, I can't be bothered going. So it's important to take people's money so they're officially booked in. Plus, if you have limited spots, when you get so busy that you need to create a waiting list, you want to make sure the people who have booked in are actually going to turn up. Now, a Facebook pixel, that's where some of you are like, yeah, I know what that is. I've set it up. Other people will be like, what? What's a Facebook pixel? So a Facebook pixel is just a piece of code. And I've just put like this little, Inspector Gadget looking guy there. And because he's trying to, follow the suspect around. So I see the Facebook pixel kind of like as a little Inspector Gadget, just following the people who click on your ad. It's following them around. Did they land on your website? Have they landed on your event page, or did they just click the ad? So the Facebook pixel will collect lots of data, and so you can analyze that data at a later date to know if people are clicking all the way through. So people buy from people that they know, they like, and they trust. And so you might have heard that before if you've been in the world of business. And this is just something I learned 1,000 years ago. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. And so a wonderful way to keep people and your trusted clients top, or keep you top and center in their mind, is to send them ACMM, do it. We all know this. Send them a weekly newsletter or every 2 weeks or so. So then they know what events you have on, you can add value to their lives, and you're continuing to add value and put yourself as the expert. Now, what do you need before you even get into Ads Manager, besides everything I just went through? Well, you need some sort of image or images, as you'll find out in a minute. You can even create a video if you like as your ad. You'll need your ad text. So you'll need generally your headline, the body of your text, and your call to action. Now, I'll go over that when we're writing our headline and our text, but generally, you want the headline to be what in the world of marketing is called a hook, not just come to my event, it'll be lovely. Like really, like create a hook, something that really draws people attention. You can do that with the image or also the headline. And you're going to have your call to action links, and you want to know who your demographics are. So your target audience. This is so important because this is the beauty of Facebook. You can actually put yourself in front of the people who need you the most. You have to just continually get in front of people, continually, whether it's online or face-to-face, until they know, like, and trust you. And it takes time. I bummed out many times and felt bummed out, but now I literally have people ringing me, when's your next event? So not every event, I'm going to put that in there, but it's just chipping away, getting in front of the right people. Yeah. You're amazing.
Yeah.
People need help, and we need to, just learn how to get in front of the people who need that help. Yeah.